Welcome to DIY Shop, and today I'm going to talk about the washing machine drain out kit. Okay, so this is Screwfix and it's £7.19. Okay, why would you need one? So basically what will happen is when your dishwasher and your washing machine is discharging at the same time, you're going to get backflow coming up through to your kitchen sink. Okay, so let's have a look down here. Okay, so this is where your dishwasher is discharging from. This is where your washing machine is discharging from. And because there's no space, it'll only go back up to the kitchen sink. So, okay. So where do we want to place this? As far away as possible from the trap. So ideally, over here. Okay, so this is the instructions. This is all what comes in the kit. And first and foremost, this is one part which has got the O-ring. I've just put it in there already. Just make sure that's in. And then your back plate and your 4 screws. Okay, so we can position it where we want, which is over here, and then put the back plate there. And then if you can, squeeze them together, and this will help when you're tightening them up. Okay. Okay, so as long as you've got one part done, you can do the other bit, still squeezing your hands together. Okay, now bottom ones. So, okay, I mean it is a bit fiddly. If you've got a clamp, then that's even handy. Okay, then we do the bottom one. Okay, so then before you fully tighten it, make sure it's where you want it to be, and it's 90 degrees, and then we can tighten them fully with your screwdriver, and then try and keep it so that the bolts are the same length coming out, so it's done evenly. Then one, I mean you know when it's pretty much tight because you can't really go no more. Okay, and just give that a turn. That seems pretty solid. Okay, this is your cutting tool. So just place that in there, locate that first, just with your hands, and go backwards first, just to feel the thread, and then forward. Right, okay, so I can feel that there, and then I get the Tommy bar, push that through, and then this will cut the hole that you need. Oops, not like that. And then keep them going. Right, and then it'll get easy. So then that basically means you're through. So okay, so what we do is we'll just give it half a turn. Right, that's definitely done. So what we'll do is now we'll turn this back. Turn this back. Okay. Okay, so sometimes you can see the actual plastic pipe there, but in this instance it's not there. So just to make sure that you have made the hole right the way through, poke your finger through and there's definitely a hole there. It's just that the plastic piece has just fallen into the waste. So that's not really the end of the world. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Okay, so here's this piece, and this is the next piece to go on. And if you look in there, you've got a little center point there, and then what you're going to need to do is put your spring in there into the middle, and then your little piece in like that. Now what I'll do is I'm just showing you that just so that you know how they go, because I'm gonna have to wind this on now, and as you can see that will just fall out. So wind that on, keep going. There we are. And then as I said before, you can't see it with the camera, but I've shown you. If I put the spring in there and then a little piece in there, just to make sure, if you press it up and down, you know that that's in its place. And then this is your other part, so I'll locate that on top there. Okay, and then what I'll do is get your locking nut on there. Okay, so that's done. Right, so next part here is this. So if I undo this, if I undo the Jubilee clip, okay, and then just twist that out, and then you can sometimes, if it's difficult, just put a bit of fairy in there just to make it easy for it to go in there. So sometimes you don't need it. I mean, that's just got in quite easy, so for this instance that's fine. So then what I'll do is I'll just undo the Jubilee clip a little bit, just lower that slightly so it gets a good grip, tighten that back up, that's it. You don't need to go mad with the Jubilee clip because it's only waste pipe, it's not mains pressure. So essentially that's it. So what will happen is your washing machine will start draining out, coming out into this new piece here, and then back out into the drain. Okay, and for this part here, you could always get a blanking nut to go on there, and other than that, that's essentially it. So thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please email me.